Now I will request outgoing club president, Rotarian Pranab Rai, to do the honors of installing our incoming president, Rotarian Chandrasekhar Roy, for the year 2012-13.
দুহাতে বাড়িয়ে অসীম আকাশটাকে স্বপ্নে ঠিকানায় তোমার আমার বন্ধু সবার আর দুজনের সেবায়
দুহাত বাড়িয়ে অসীম আকাশটাকে স্বপ্নের ঠিকানায় তোমার আমার বন্ধু সবার আর দুজনের সেবায়
সব মানুষের চাওয়া পায় আমাদের প্রগতি.
That was the theme song for our club which we have developed, and thanks goes to our past president Rotarian Ashim Gorai. Thank you.
Rotary Club of Salt Lake City. Rotary Club of Salt Lake City.
Now I would request our very dynamic president now, is no more incoming, is already in, Rotarian Chandrasekhar Roy, to please deliver your address. Please come. It's a great pleasure and pride to stand here as the 36th president of this highly esteemed club, Rotary Club of Salt Lake City. It's also my great privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to this 36th installation meeting of our club. I cordially welcome my chief guest, Honorable Minister, District Governor, Rotarian Uttam Gangopadhyay, IPDG, immediate past District Governor Anshumanda, DG-elect Rajani Mukherjee, past District Governors and other distinguished district officials present over here, the presidents and the past presidents who have arrived here to provide valuable support and encouragement to my team and the club members. Our club is blessed to have a rich legacy and enviable reputation at the district and RI level. This has been made possible by the dedication of our illustrious past presidents and committed, hardworking club members. I deliver my thanks to the outgoing president, Rotarian Pranab Roy, and his board for all they have done for our club over the past Rotary year. My approach as the president will be to ensure all the directors to develop their respective plans and their respective areas of responsibility. I am an ardent believer in autonomy and allowing others to take charge in independent manner. I sincerely believe that to be a vibrant club, we need to ensure that all club members and ants are actively engaged in Rotary projects. I hope that this Rotary year will be a great year of a huge participation of almost all the Rotarians and the ants of our club. Before concluding, I request all the non-Rotarians present over here in the hall to be our guests and seriously consider joining one of the largest non-religious, non-sectarian organization on earth today. Please expand your horizon, meet interesting people who stand for professional and business ethics, make friends, get business contacts, do acts of kindness and contribute something much bigger than yourself. Be a part of an organization where your professional expertise, your moral character, your dynamic nature and your financial contribution, last but not the least, can make a great difference both in our community and in the world. Thank you. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.